Welcome to our channel C Tech. Here I am your Siddhant Sharma. Apple just released the new iPad Pro 2020 and they are claiming that this could replacement the laptop or computer. So by adding the mouse support on it, I don't think so that they could replace laptop or computer. So we will talk about this one today. Right now in my hand, this is iPad Pro. This one comes in two variant, 12.9 inch and 11 inch. So this one is in space gray color. This comes in a silver color also. Okay, so we'll go inside this one and we'll look through it what is inside of this iPad Pro 2020. This one comes in different storage option of 128 GB to 1 terabyte. So this one has 120 Hz display refresh rate, so very fast. See, you can see this one. This one has 6 GB of RAM and this is very lightweight of 473 grams. So this one has option of Wi-Fi and cellular also, so you can use the data from the cellular SIM. So outside we can see the speakers. Two speakers are here. Here is USB type C, so from here we can charge our iPad, and here is also two speakers. So I think the music will be the best one here, crisp one. So here is the button, so of the volume up and down button. Okay, so this is the place for the pen. This we have we can purchase second generation pen, so we can keep it here like this. One of them is 10 megapixel and this one is 12 megapixel. This is LiDAR. LiDAR means light detection and ranging. Okay, so here is the flashlight. So here is the beautiful Apple logo. This one has a little bit thick bezel. See here. Okay, people are, I think, complaining about that, why it has the thick bezels. So for my understanding, I think having thick bezel would be good for this one, because this is iPad, so while handling on the hand, so it would be by the finger, it might be touch on the screen, so that the bezel is thick. So we should see and we should compromise on it. So here I am showing you the rear camera, selfie camera. This is 7 megapixel camera. The camera is very crisp and clear the pictures, so I'll take the pictures from it. Okay, now let's see on the settings what we have got about this iPad Pro 2020. We have A12Z new bionic chip. This is heavy processor. We can do lots of multitask on this one. So this one has 256 GB of capacity, so you could get up to 1 terabyte of capacity on this. Let's watch the video and sound quality of this iPad Pro 2020. I'm going to play our new video. There is one of the Canon 250D video. So now we this have is to the fix one. The lens like this. We have to see the white dot and we have to fix it gently, so it will fix it on the correct way. So this is the button for on and off. There are 4 speakers on it. This is the mode. This one we call it autofocus mode. So this is the shutter button. So here are different types of buttons. So you can see this is ISO button, this is on off button, and the video button. So we can keep on the video and we can shoot the camera videos. So this is now, if you want to make this one as a laptop or computer, then you should buy the Magic Keyboard separately. It has backlit keys, so that will cost around 350 to 400 bucks. So for the beginners, if you are thinking about to buy the laptop or computer, then you can go with this one, having the Magic Keyboard and the S Pen, so you could enjoy this one. And you can do the basic editing, sketching, you can watch the videos, you can take the pictures also, very nice and crisp and clear. So if you are going to look for the heavy editing on this iPad Pro, then it might not be possible on this. So you have to go to the laptop or the computer, you have to buy it. That's all for today, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, keep watching us. Thanks a lot.